Welcome, my name is XIAOMI Poco F2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, we will need to shut off the device by holding the power key. And once it has shut off, you then want to hold power key and volume down. So let's do that right now. And should immediately go into Fastboot mode. There we go. So as you can see, we're now in the desired mode, and that is how you would access it. And to leave it, you simply just need to hold power key till the screen turns off, and then it will automatically power back on back into the Android. And there we go. So just wait a moment for it to boot back up into the Android system. And there we are. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.